it's me, yours truly, John Valencia, and welcome back to Truly Asia Diaries. For today, we are back for another reaction video for Diana Anкудинова for her Masked Singer performance, which is entitled Fly on Wings of Wind. I'm so excited for this. We received a request to check all this performance from the Masked Singer in Russia, and I'm so excited to check it one by one. And thank you for requesting for it, guys. But before I proceed, if you're new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more reaction videos. So what are we waiting for? Let's go check this out. Alright, we are playing in 3, 2, 1, go. I love her outfit in this Masked Singer. The humming sound. I like the movements. Hold on, guys, it's just the humming sound, but you will know right away that this is Diana Anкудинова. She has this very distinctive vocal, and like the previous reaction that we did, I listened to her like there are two vocals in one body. She have this vocal range from the high range to the low range, and that bass sound singer was really good. Her deep tone, the other falsetto. Are they singing live in the Masked Singer as well? Hold on, guys. On this part, Diana is like singing on a different level, wherein she normally sing in a deep tone bass vocal, but this one is really different. Like it's a different person, but on the start of the humming, you will know that it's Diana. It's like an opera song. Ooh, who's that judges? Looking good. Amazing vocal. I love her outfit here, it's so cool. See, you can hear that low tone. Ooh, the deep tone was so good. Goosebumps. I wonder if they're singing live in the Masked Singer. You know what, guys? Those part like she's singing with a humming and the falsetto and the head tone was really on point, and you can feel the emotion even if you're not seeing her face. You will feel the way she's singing, and it really transcends on how she's delivering the song. Let's go back to that a little. It's just so sad that this is not the real video of the performance, just a clip. It sounds like a lullaby, operatic music. I love the stage. Let me know, guys, if they're singing it live. Ooh, love it. There you have it, guys. That is Diana Anкудинова for her performance at the Masked Singer Russia for Flying on Wings of Wind. Oh my god, I didn't expect that it will be sounded like an operatic lullaby music, and Diana is using a very good vocal it's a different type of vocal that she have, like different from the previous performance that we have reacted, or and she's giving a very deep tone, and her range was really into bass singer, but now it's like humming plus the ad libs that she gave, and it sounds very operatic, and also you can still hear the deep tone, and it's really distinctive, like you will know that Diana is the one who's singing. I just want to know if they're singing it live. You can comment down below, guys, and let me know. And what other performance of the Masked Singer that you want me to check, you can comment down below and we will check that out for you. Alright, that's our reaction for today. If you enjoyed this reaction video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you're new to the channel, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell. Once again, my name is John. This is True Asia Diaries. I'll see you on my next one. Spread happiness, guys. Bye for now.